Understanding the collision process, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting concept, the collision process. This term might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your conversations and writing. Let's get started. The phrase, collision process, refers to the sequence of events that occur when two or more objects come into forceful contact with each other. It's often used in physics to describe how particles or bodies interact. However, in everyday language, it can be used metaphorically to describe any situation where two or more elements meet or clash in a significant way. In physics, the collision process is a fundamental concept. It's used to describe and analyze how particles like atoms or larger objects like cars interact when they collide. Here, the focus is often on the energy transfer and the changes in motion that occur as a result of the collision. Beyond physics, the collision process can be used metaphorically. For example, when two different ideas, cultures, or personalities clash, we can describe this interaction as a collision process. This metaphorical use captures the dynamic and sometimes complex nature of such interactions. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The meeting was a collision process of different opinions. 2. Her art represents a collision process of traditional and modern styles. 3. The collision process of these two cultures has created a unique community. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning and uses of the collision process. Whether you're talking about physics or describing a dynamic interaction in everyday life, this phrase can be a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.